Unpacking the phrase, to flake out, understanding its use in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase that often pops up in casual conversations, to flake out. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English fluency, understanding these phrases is key to sounding like a native speaker. So, let's dive in and demystify what it means to flake out. To flake out is an informal expression that means to fail to follow through on a commitment or to abandon plans unexpectedly. It's often used when someone cancels at the last minute or doesn't show up at all. For example, if a friend doesn't come to a planned meeting, you might say they flaked out. The phrase, to flake out, has interesting roots. Originally, it referred to someone collapsing or falling asleep due to exhaustion or sheer tiredness. Over time, it evolved in modern slang to describe someone who bails on commitments, not necessarily due to fatigue, but often due to forgetfulness or a change of mind. Let's put to flake out into action. Here are some examples. I'm hoping to see you tomorrow. Don't flake out on me. She flaked out of the party and stayed home instead. We had a deal, but he flaked out at the last minute. Using it in various sentences like these will help you grasp the nuance of the phrase. It's important to note that to flake out can have a negative connotation. If someone has a reputation for flaking out, they may be seen as unreliable or untrustworthy. It's a phrase best used in informal settings and with people you are familiar with. And that's a wrap on to flake out. Remember, while it's a handy phrase for casual conversations, use it with caution and try not to be the one who flakes out. We hope this video has cleared up any confusion and added a new expression to your English vocabulary. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.